Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 6, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3, working with tables, and we will start today introduction part table to other methods of inserting a table. So let's start this topic, students. Class 6, so chapter number 3, working with tables, and today we will discuss about what is a table exactly to other methods of a tables. So let's start about this tables. Introduction part, class 6. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables are useful for organizing information in a concise and easily readable way. Text contained in tables is easy to space and align, which make them ideal for presenting lists of related information in publisher, like store ads or products and their prices. In this lesson, you will learn how to insert, modify and change the appearance of tables. So look at table, student. A table is a grid of cells arranged in horizontal rows and vertical columns. So we can use a table to present textual or numerical data in a concise way. We can even insert pictures in the cells too, then visual appeal to data. Before starting to work with tables, let us familiarize ourselves with its different parts. So number first, you can see a column 1, column 2, column 3, and opposite side you can see a row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. So serial number is mentioned 1, 2, 3 and name mentioned and address mentioned in this table. So the top of row of a table is generally called the head row because it contains all the columns and headings. And remember, the table shown above is the 3 into 4 table, as it has a 3 columns and a 4 rows, so known as a table. Next is student, you will see how to insert a table. So click the insert tab and locate the tables group. Second is a click the table drop down command. Then third step, hover your mouse over the diagram squares to select the numbers of columns and rows in the table. Then click your mouse and fourth, the table will be inserted. Inserting table using the table grid. Means the commonest way is to use table grid. The steps to insert tables from the table grid are as follows. So you can see another way to place the cursor where you want to insert the table. Click on the insert tab. Third, click on the table command button in the tables group. Fourth, hover the mouse pointer over the table grid to highlight as many rows and columns as you want in the table. Now then, click the mouse. The table will appear in your document. So first of all, class 6, just open your MS Word and go to a insert option. In this insert option, you see many options here in a tab. So first of all, you will go a table, like this is a table. So insert or a draw and table into the document. So in Word, you can also convert existing text into a table. First of all, just click. You can see this is a insert table. So now this is a rows and columns of a combination of a table. So now you can see this is a 2 into 1. Now next you can see a 3 into 2 combination. So like this is a table property, and next option you can see a insert table. Now draw table, Excel spreadsheet, quick table. So you will study in this chapter one by one in this table about of a table. Look a picture for a comparison in a table. So first is the 5 columns and 4 rows selected. Other is the 5 into 4 table inserted in the document. So now next step is your other methods of inserting a table. So first method is student is your inserting table using the insert table option. And steps are place the cursor at a required position and click on the table button in the insert tab. Second is here, from the table button drop down menu, select the insert table option. Third is here in the insert table dialog box, enter the name of rows and column for table and click on the OK button. Now the method is you're drawing a table manually. So student, drawing a table manually in this steps are from the table button drop down menu, select the table draw table option. So you can drag the pointer diagonally to draw a rectangular table border. Then drag the pointer to draw horizontal and vertical lines to create rows and columns. So class 6, just do it practice of a make a table in the MS Word to a combination of any rows and column in MS Word, and try other methods of inserting a table. Just practice inserting table using the insert table option and drawing a table manually. So student, yes, your today's homework is revise this topic and do practice how to make a table in MS Word.